Welcome to our second HTML tutorial for beginners. Today we are going to take you through the basic HTML elements. To start with, we are going to define what an HTML element is. An HTML element is made up of an opening tag, content, and an end tag. Below is an example of an HTML element. We are going to use the following simple HTML document to explain each element. Doctype HTML declares the document is an HTML5 document. HTML is the root element that defines the whole document. The head element contains the page's meta information.
The title element carries the page's title, which appears on the browser's title bar. The body element defines the document's body. It acts as the container for all other elements. H1 element defines the heading. P element defines the paragraph.
We have got two types of elements. Number 1, nested elements, which contain other elements. The elements we have explained in the previous sample are all examples of nested elements. Number 2, empty elements, which has no content in them, e.g. break element. Kindly note that HTML elements are not case sensitive. That means the first and the second element in the example below mean same. Thank you for watching. See you in our next tutorial. And if you have not yet subscribed to YouTube channel, kindly do so.